Hi everyone, it's Chris Thurgood from my girlfriend's Quilt Shop, and today let's go ahead and make some freestanding lace earrings. First off, you're going to use a 4x4 hoop. Next, we're going to hoop 2 layers of wash away stabilizer. The next important thing to know about freestanding lace is you always want the same color thread in both the bottom and the top. All right, I'm going to go ahead and go to Embroidery and then pull up my USB stick. And here we have Sunny earrings. And there we go. How cute. We're going to hit set and embroidery. Let's go. Hoop into the machine. Press your foot down, press green to go. That was quick and so fun. Let's go ahead and finish this up. Go ahead and remove it from the hoop and trim away the excess. Don't worry about getting too close to the stitches because we're going to wash the rest of that stabilizer away. To rinse away the stabilizer, all I'm going to do is drop it into a cup of water. Let's go ahead and grab those out and allow to dry. Once these are completely dry, I want to take my scissors and just trim all those little loose threads. But don't worry if you can't get it all because I'm going to show you a little trick. If you have little edges of thread that are just kind of fraying out, go ahead and take either a lighter or even a small wood burning tool, and you basically are melting those pieces away, those little stray threads. It's pretty awesome. Now don't let it sit on too long or else you'll burn it. Right here, it's just cleaning up and making nice clean edges all the way around. Next, let's go ahead and attach the wire hooks. I'm just going to go ahead and open up that little loop there at the bottom and then place that right into my loop that was stitched out. Take my little pliers and give it a pinch. Okay, come on now. How cute are my little Sunnies? Do you want a pair of Sunnies? We've got them for you. You can find them on our website. Head on over to mygirlfriendsquiltshop.com and download your free pair of Sunnies today. Go ahead and get stitching. Have fun, have a great time, and check out all the other great FSL designs found at My Girlfriend's Quilt Shop. Have fun.